Eurodollar's come under pressure on Wednesday. The trigger appears to be the Forex market finally waking up to the political concerns in France, which we highlighted yesterday. Today's a classic example of the Forex market living to run stops. Now, I pointed this out yesterday, and just as a proof of concept, here's my post from yesterday. If there are key stops to run, they would be below 116.02. That's in fact what happened today. But in fact, there were two sets of stops run. Right here below 116.02, and again below another key level at 115.82, a more important level. We got down to 115.77. You see by these large candles on this 1 hour chart that we ran stops. Now, before I go on, why they run stops? You know, the Forex market, as I pointed out in several articles, one I'll post later on this evening for you to revisit, is that Forex market's price feed is universal. In other words, everyone looks at the same prices, same time, same charts, maybe off a little bit because of the spreads. Basically, it's a universal feed. So the more people look at a level, the more important it becomes. This is not necessarily true in indices or others because of CFDs and futures, but in Forex, the cash market prices, which everyone sees, are as universal as you can get. So when you see a level on a chart, you can assume others are looking at the same level, and that's how stops get built. So where do we go from here? Market should stay in a sell on blips mode. Won't we stay below 116.02, but only back above 116.40.50 would negate the risk to the downside. It's a long way to go into the French September 8th vote, so market really moves in a straight line. If we can get through this 115.83, next target is 115.27, potential down to 115.90, or 113.90. I'm sorry, but we'll discuss that at a different time. So if you want to take a very simple view of the market, Euro should stay in a sell on blips mode. We could say below 116.02, but only above 116.50 would really negate the risk. Another way to look at it is if we stay below 116.50, the market's going to target 115. So this is where we are. Let's push U.S. factors and the Trump show into the background. You got to watch French stocks, French bonds for a clue, but that uncertainty is going to persist until September 8th. So the Euro's on the defensive. 116.02 is probably the key level to watch today, the pivotal level. And if we get below 115.83, we're going to target that lower 115 area. This video was presented by www.global-view.com. For more like this, intraday updates and insights you won't find elsewhere, please visit our website.